Today we're making sausage roll. The good thing about cooking it yourself is you can mix and match your ingredients as you like.
It's just better cook it yourself. Delicious.
For this sausage roll, you'd need minced meat, wet spices, dry spices, flour and butter. To make your dough, you'd need 1 part butter to 2 part flour. Mix the butter and flour together until you have a wet sand-like texture. Add a cup of cold water bit by bit and mix until it comes together. Avoid kneading the dough. Set aside and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes or more. To your blender cup, add your carrot, onion, spring onion, ginger, garlic, paprika, salt, bullion cubes, fennel, cumin, onion granules and rosemary. Then blend until it is almost smooth. To a bowl, add your minced meat. Break the lumps apart and add your blended vegetables. Mix together until it combines. It is best to use minced meat with at least 20% fat content or more. I'm using pure beef. You may use beef, pork, or any meat of choice. Add some flour to your work surface to avoid the dough from sticking while you're rolling. Cut the dough to size and roll out. Lift the dough as you roll to avoid sticking to your work surface. Once it's the desired thickness, cut into a square or rectangular shape. Add your minced meat along a side of your dough, then roll gently together as you see on the screen. Use an egg mixture or flour water slurry to seal your dough and cut to your desired size. Once you're done rolling all your sausages, egg wash your sausage and put it in a preheated oven at 175 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes or until it's as brown as you'd like. Something to note, your wet ingredients may release water while you're baking. Just use a kitchen towel to dab it out and bake as normal.